Hey, welcome to Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business. If email marketing is already a part of your overall plan or you're just getting started, these are a variety of emails to choose from, each with a distinctive purpose. It's critical to define the purpose and explain why you're sending the message in the first place while planning your email marketing campaign. Outlining your email marketing priorities will help you decide which form of the email will resonate with your audience, which will help you achieve your objectives. So let's discuss the various forms of campaigns and make them more entertaining for consumers.
Number 1. Transactional emails. Transactional emails are communications that companies must deliver to customers to complete a contract or offer a product or service. As a result, businesses do not need to seek consumer approval before sending transactional communications. Companies use transactional emails to convey vital information to consumers at key points in the customer experience. A potential or customer's contact with a website or app typically triggers transactional emails. Login resets, for examples, shipping details, and receipts. Transactional emails cannot produce extra revenue. They aim to promote a transaction that the consumer has already decided upon. A marketing or promotional email is sent to advertise a brand, product, or service or to generate sales. In most instances, you don't need permission to send transactional emails, but you do need permission to send marketing emails. Customers cannot unsubscribe from transactional emails, but marketing emails must still have an unsubscribe alternative, so transactional emails must be used with caution.
Number 2. Promotional emails. A promotional email is a commercial email advertisement that seeks to spread the word about your product or service to prospective consumers. It usually includes prizes or vouchers and keys to exclusive deals or invites to an entire event. The key aim is to get new buyer to convert by moving them into the sales funnel. Getting the prospect to purchase your good or service is the most popular conversion. Customers should be prompted to purchase a product by concise calls to action in promotional emails. Consumers may also be persuaded to stream, subscribe, or register for a program using these newsletters. This method of marketing, when done right, will help a company raise not only sales, but also customer satisfaction and commitment. As a result, the quality and nature of a promotional email should be focused on persuading the receiver to act within a specific time frame. Number 3. Lifecycle emails. Lifecycle email marketing is a more focused strategy that targets the prospects and consumers at the point of the sales funnel, rather than digging into what people are doing in those stages. Traditional email marketing flows focus on the funnel stages themselves. AI's advancement and increased usability have revolutionized email marketing and allowed lifecycle email marketing. You can pull data from your website and send emails based on predetermined thresholds if you have the right resources in place. Individual customer information is used in the newsletters if you communicate personally to consumers to make a sale. The key goal of lifecycle email marketing is to eliminate obstacles and hurdles from the sales process. A consumer may be interested in your goods but abandon them in the cart due to price concerns. Reminding them of their desire after payday could be the trick to getting them to do something. You may use lifecycle email marketing to increase the conversion rate significantly by understanding consumer psychology and forecasting what they need. One of the best aspects of email marketing is that it's a low-risk channel to try out while you're just getting started. Begin by building a basic email list and immediately launch your first cart abandonment campaign. Then, iterate until you have a comprehensive strategy in place. There's no better way to get started than right now. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Hive squad and be a part of our channel. Thank you for watching.